Okay, so now we're going to, what we're going to do is called write a block. So it just means writing a file from this file, which is essentially a copy. So I'm setting my UCS to object, and I'm selecting my rectangle, and I want to select a 0, 0 point, which in this case I want to be the corner of this rectangle, and you can see my Y is pointing up and my X is along the page. To write the block, I am going to type in a command called Wblock, and this interface will come up, asks me to select the objects, and I select everything available. I need to tell it where to put it, and in my directory I like to have my AutoCAD files that I'm using that are going into Max in a separate folder than my GIS files. So here I'm just calling it contour_0 because this is the one with the moved 0, 0 point. Very importantly, I want my insertion units to be unitless. I certainly don't want them to be inches. And I can pick the base point, it's not necessary, but I can pick the base point as the very corner point of that rectangle, and OK. I can now open that new file, but first of all I'm going to set the UCS of this existing file back to world and save it with the world UCS as the current UCS. Now I'm going to open my Wblocked file. You can see the _0 there. Looks like nothing is in the file, so I have to type zoom extents. Just zoom and then EX for extents, and you can see my 0, 0 is in the corner. If I do a polyline from the 0, 0 to anywhere, I'm not in the middle of geographic space.